Hello friends, today I'm checking out a digital camera for children. This is the GoPow Kids Children's Camera with memory card included. This is a blue one. Or wait, maybe not. It's checked as pink there, so we'll see. Alright, this runs about $37 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out there. So here we have in the box the user's manual. It's kind of nice. Oh, it is pink. Okay. First things first, we have a USB to, looks like a card reader there. And it comes with a, 32 gigabyte micro card. That's cool. Has a nice little pink strap here. Have your USB to, I believe, micro USB plug to probably charge the camera. And then the camera itself right here. That's it for the box. But, oh wow, this is actually pretty cool. So it's smaller than I would think, but you know, it is for children, so that's cool. So I mean, it just has a little face here in the ears, so it looks like a little, you know, almost a Monsters Inc. type thing. It's super squishy all the way around. It's got this like silicone cover on it. So I believe, this comes off if you wanted to, and you could wash that too if the kids got it dirty or whatever. So that's kind of a good idea, but just adds a lot of protection to your camera. You know, kids like to throw things around, and I think these little ear things or horns would break the fall. Let's see if we could turn it on. Sometimes these things have a little bit of a charge. Looks like the blue light came on. There we go. It says welcome. That's cool. It's got a nice little screen. It says camera, video, games, cloud. Things. See if I can show you guys that just like that. So if we want to take a camera, maybe we press that. Or let's see here. Up, down, left, right. Okay, so it's got the little buttons here. You can go up and down, left and right with these. And then the button on top selects it. So if we want to take a picture of myself here. Oh, no card, so we don't have the card input yet, but you can see the screen's pretty good there. See if I can find myself on the screen. There I am. I will be doing a demonstration later, but that's kind of neat. Let's see if we can go back. Oh, so you push this, it's got different little environments that go around there. That's pretty cool. Got a jungle, space, birthday, lips. So a bunch of different things. That's pretty cool. Let's see what the video one looks like here. Okay, it tells the battery life. Battery's low. Okay, let's go back. And turn the power off there. So pretty cool. Looks like it's going to be a nice little camera. I will be doing a review and demonstration later on that. So thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. This does boast a 1440 by 1080 video, and the screen looks pretty clean and everything. So pretty neat little camera there. I'm sure the kids will like it. We'll see you soon. I will leave the Amazon link in the description below. I think I already mentioned that, but also when I do the review video, I'll leave that link in the description below as well, so you guys can check it out. Thanks for watching this unboxing, and have a great day.